Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here is a mix of my some Blender creations for you to check out. If you are into Blender and want to learn how to make simple 3D animations step by step, you're in the right place. I am Mustafa, but you can just call me Moose. I am from Morocco and I started playing around with Blender a few years back after discovering tutorials on YouTube, especially from this YouTube channel named Duki3D. It's amazing guy. I learned and I still learning a lot of tricks and tips with him. At first, following his tutorials was tough for me because he spoke really fast and English isn't my strong suit. I mainly study in French here in Morocco, but I found my way. Starting with his easier tutorials, it took me a while, but I got there. I hope you will enjoy my Blender creations. If you want more, please subscribe. I will do my best to make better tutorials, and I am hoping to improve my English too with your help.